how to get your Temu affiliate link to the product to earn some commission. So if you enter the temu.com, you need to enter Temu affiliate. So to the search bar, you can type here affiliate and it will open you the Temu affiliate influencer program. I am already logged in, so you can simply sign up to this affiliate program. And once you are here on the left, we want to go to hot items. And I want to search for the product where you want to get affiliate link. So there are many of them, you can search for it. And here is the option share and click it. And here is that link. So if you copy this link and you will add it, for example, to your Instagram story, this is the affiliate link. So if somebody buys something from Temu or from this link, you will get commission. You can also copy link here or share it through message, email. This was how you can share product link in Temu affiliate. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.